Good morning, students. So welcome back to the class. In the previous class, we have seen how to calculate a mean or average for the given data. For suppose, if the number of observations are very large in number and the frequencies are also very large in number, then it would be very difficult to calculate and it is a time consuming process for a large number of data to calculate the average. So, making it convenient, if number of observations are more and the frequency of the observations is more, then we go ahead and we follow another method of calculating average or mean, and that method today we are going to see is assumed mean. Assumed mean. We take assumed mean and we calculate the average here. So this method is called as assumed mean method. So when we use this assumed mean method is when the number of observations are more. When the frequency is more, then we take this sort of method to calculate the average or mean for the given data. So now here I am taking an example of class interval 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. So if you observe here, this is the class intervals what I have taken. So dear students, if you observe, the difference of these class interval is 15. So the class intervals have taken 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55. So these are the big classes what we have taken. And the frequencies, if you see the frequencies, how many number of times these class intervals takes place is 2, 3, 7, 6, 6, 6. So this is an data which is very large in number with a class interval of 15. So as usual, as we have seen already in the previous class, first we have to calculate the mid values for the given class intervals, which is supposed to be the x. The mid values of the class intervals. Already we have seen how to calculate the mid value. That is lower limit plus upper limit of the class divided by 2. So 10 plus 25 by 2, 35 by 2, that we come across 17.5. And if you observe 20 plus 25 plus 40 by 2, that is we come across 32.5. 40 plus 55 by 2, so that is 47.5 we come across. 55 plus 70 by 2, we come across 62.5. 70 plus 85 by 2, we come across 77.5. And we come across last that is 92.5. So if you observe how you got these mid values, already I said how to calculate the mid value is lower limit plus upper limit of the class divided by 2. No confusion. How you got this 17.5? 10 plus 25 by 2, 25 plus 40 by 2, 40 plus 55 by 2, 55 plus 70 by 2. Lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. You will get here the mid values what you come across. So dear students, as we have seen, the method is assumed mean method. Assumed mean method in the sense from these mid values, we have to assume a mean. Assume, ఊహించుకునే పద్ధతి. ఒక మీన్ని, ఒక యావరేజ్ని ఊహించుకొని దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మనం యావరేజ్ కట్టడం జరుగుతుంది. Assumed mean method. So here I am using this 47.5 as the assumed mean. And based on that assumed mean, we have to make the deviations. Is it clear? So the difference we have to calculate. Difference. How you will get the difference is equal to x minus assumed mean what you can find. X minus assumed mean. In the sense 17.5 minus 47.5. You get minus 30. 32.5 minus 47.5, you get minus 15. 47.5 minus 47.5, you'll get 0. X minus A, X 62.5 minus assumed mean 47.5, you get here again 15. 77.5 minus A minus 47.5, you get 30. 92.5 minus 47.5, you get D, that is 45. These are the differences what we come across. So I repeat, how you got this? The calculation of difference is equal to x minus A. X, these are the mid values. A, assumed mean. In this data, I have assumed 47.5 as the mean. So why sir 47.5 ఎందుకు తీసుకోవాలి? ఇది తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా అంటే యావరేజ్ నా మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి మీన్ ని యావరేజ్ మీన్ గా తీసుకోవాలి. ఇదన్నా తీసుకోవచ్చు, ఇదన్నా తీసుకోవచ్చు. I have taken this. You can take this and you can do the problem, not an issue. But we should not take this or this. Why? Because average అనేది ఎప్పుడైనా మధ్యలో ఉంటుంది ఒక డేటా. So dear students, this is the difference what you come across, and now if you find, we have to make it FD, F into D. Multiply F into D. 2 into minus 30, minus 60. 3 into minus 15, minus 45. 7 into 0, 0. 15 into 6, 90. 6 into 30, 180. 45 into 6, if you observe, 270. This is how you have to calculate. So dear students, observe very clearly. Now we have to make the sum of these FDs. You should be very careful while you are adding these and subtracting these. The sum, first add all these 90 plus 180 plus 270. From this you subtract minus 60 minus 45. You make a rough work. ఇవన్నీ యాడ్ చేయండి, ఇవన్నీ ప్లస్లు అండ్ ఇవి రెండు మైనస్లు, ఇవి రెండు సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయాలి. ఇఫ్ యూ గెట్, యూ విల్ గెట్ ఏ ఆన్సర్ ఆఫ్ 435. You will get 435. This is called as sigma FD, and this is sigma F. Is it clear? So this is sigma F. So add sigma F. 10. So 3 6 are 18. 25 plus 5, 30. Sigma F is 30. Sigma FD is 435. Now we are going to calculate the deviation mean. So how to calculate the average here? If you observe the average deviation, you will get that is sigma FD divided by sigma F. So what is sigma FD? You will get 435 divided by sigma F, that is 30. So 435 divided by 35, if you observe, you will get an average of 14.5 14.5. But observe, this is not the average. So for this average, now you will get the exact average. That is, for this you should add the assumed mean. So here the assumed mean, assumed mean, what you have added, assumed mean we have taken 47.5. So 47.5 plus 14.5, that is equal to, if you observe, the average would be 62. That is the average answer. So if you observe, the average in the assumed mean method is assumed mean plus sigma FD divided by sigma F. This is the formula what you have to use in assumed mean method. So I repeat, how to calculate the assumed mean method. So this is very clear in your past example. From the class intervals and the frequencies, you calculate the mid values. How to calculate the mid values? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2, you will get this. From these mid values, you assume a mid value 47.5. I have assumed that 47.5. Here x is the frequencies. X is the frequent mid values and A is the assumed mean. From every x you divide the assumed mean. So from 17.5 I have deducted 47.5 minus 30. 32.5 minus 47.5 minus 15. 47.5 minus 47.5 0. 62.5 minus 47.5 15. So like that, from all these x I have taken this assumed average, that is equal to the D, deviations. And this D is multiplied with the F into D. These two are multiplied. 2 into minus 30, 60. 3 into minus 15, 45. So these FDs are summed up. You will get sigma FD 435 and you will get sigma F, that is 30, and the formula is A plus sigma FD by sigma F, that is already I said is equal to assumed mean. What we have taken assumed mean 47.5 plus sigma FD 435 divided by 30, so that is equal to 47.5 plus 14.5, that is 62 is the answer. So when we use this assumed mean method is when the number of observations are more, you can use this assumed mean method. So further this we have step deviation method. How to calculate the mean under step deviation method in tomorrow's class we will do, and regarding yesterday's class and today's class you will get worksheets or you will get a printed photos and completely how to do the exercises. Then you will get command on the statistics. If you get any doubt in any step, you can WhatsApp me or call me. Don't be leisure, start your work, your classes are already started. Thank you very much. Have a great day.